In this video, I'll guide you through how to find Agoda hotel recommendations. Whether you're planning a quick weekend trip or a longer vacation, knowing how to use Agoda's built-in recommendations can save you time and help you discover great places you might otherwise miss. We'll move through the process slowly and clearly so you can follow along on either the website or the mobile app. To get started, open the Agoda homepage in your browser or launch the Agoda app on your phone or tablet. If you're using the website, make sure you're on the main landing page, not deep inside a previous search. On the app, you'll usually land on the home screen automatically. If not, just tap the home icon to return there. This is important because Agoda surfaces many of its best recommendations right on this starting page. Once you're on the home page, take a moment to browse the suggested hotels that appear there. These are often tailored based on popular destinations, current deals, and sometimes your recent searches if you've used Agoda before. You might see sections like deals of the day, featured properties, or popular stays in trending cities. Even if you already have a destination in mind, it's worth scanning through these suggestions to get a sense of what types of properties are being highlighted, such as budget-friendly stays, luxury hotels, or unique boutique options. Next, move to the search area so you can look for a specific place. On the website, you'll usually find a search bar near the top of the page where you can type in a city, region, or landmark. On the app, there's a similar search field, often front and center on the home screen. Click or tap into that box and start typing your destination. As you type, Agoda will offer suggestions, which can be helpful if you're not sure of the exact spelling or if there are multiple areas with similar names. Choose the correct location, then add your check-in and check-out dates and the number of guests or rooms if needed before starting your search. After you run the search, Agoda will show you a list of available hotels in your chosen destination. This is where the recommendation features really become useful. Look for a section or filter labeled recommended or top picks. On the website, this might appear as a sorting option above the list of hotels, allowing you to sort by recommended. On the app, it may appear as a tab or a similar sorting choice at the top of the results. Select the recommended or top picks option. Agoda uses a combination of factors such as guest reviews, popularity, value for money, and location to highlight these properties. This means the hotels you see here are generally well rated and commonly chosen by other travelers. As you scroll through, pay attention to the review scores, number of reviews, and any short highlights like great location or clean and comfortable. From here, you can open any hotel that catches your eye to read more details, view photos, and check policies. By starting on the homepage, running a focused destination search, and then using the recommended or top picks section, you'll quickly narrow down your options to some of the best choices Agoda has to offer for your trip.